thank our sponsors for our 160th founding anniversary of Barangay Balasila, Damaas Kapatayan Festival 2026. We'd like to thank Carlos Solidor, Mr. Hernan Cordero, Jessica Siaso, Mrs. Rosalie Kinukaling, Bernardo Bautista III, Samuel Parado, Perfecto Aranas, Fred Lau, Manolo Andrew Kamale, Lydia Gomez, Lini Ino, Edward Wasingan, Virginia Tan, Jesse Narciso, Diosdado Ordanza, Lonnie Dalbe, Anima Hardware, Dexter Lagaga, Honorable Encarnacion, Alfredo Samantila, James Sandique, Honorable Armando Morales Kibon, Vice Mayor Attorney Ryan D. Tamanay, Honorable Emilio Lala J. Talino Mendoza, Elena Z. Rubel Ano, Mrs. Charlotte N. Sukumoto, Lori Pamigan, and J.R. Nueva. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us